Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. Today we're going to make some balsamic Brussels sprouts. And this ought to be really good. I love Brussels sprouts and I love balsamic vinegar. And by the time we're done here, it's going to be very flavorful and actually very colorful as well. So to get started on this, the first thing we're going to do is fry up 3 slices of bacon. All right, so you can see I've got 3 slices of bacon. We're going to fry them up till they're nice and crispy. And then we're going to use this bacon grease to really flavor up these Brussels sprouts. While the bacon is cooking, we're going to take our Brussels sprouts, and what I bought was a 1-pound bag of fresh Brussels sprouts. So hopefully you can see this. What we're going to do is cut them in half. Each one we're going to cut in half lengthwise. And then put them face down, and then go opposite directions and just cut little slices. So what we'll end up getting here is kind of like a shredded. Then when you get down to the end where the core is, or that stem, you can just toss that aside. All right, our bacon is nice and very brown and crispy. We're just going to take it out, set it on a paper towel, and then we'll use that at the end. We'll let this cool off a little bit. All right, so we have our Brussels sprouts all thinly sliced. And I've got one pretty good sized shallot, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to slice it very thin. All right, so I've got my pan with the reserved baking drippings. It's on medium. So what I want to do is toss in this shallot. We're going to cook these shallots for, I don't know, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, just so they're very nice, tender, translucent. You could add a little bit of salt if you wanted to. All right, they're starting to brown and they're nice and soft. So now we will add our Brussels sprouts. Stir this in good, get a lot of the bacon drippings all over the Brussels sprouts. Get the shallot mixed in there good. And we're going to do this for maybe 4 or 5 minutes. I'm going to turn this up to about a medium. I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. All right, we're just going to let this go for maybe 1 or 2 minutes. We'll add some freshly ground pepper. All right, I'm going to turn this off. And then what I'm going to do is crumble up this bacon, get it nice, because we're going to put this in a serving bowl and then sprinkle some of the bacon on top. So here we have. And then like I said, I'm just going to crumble up the bacon on top. And then what I have here is some roasted, salted pumpkin seeds. Again, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on top. And then what I thought would be really good, because it's the time of year for pomegranates. I got some fresh pomegranates. I want to sprinkle some of them on top. That'll give it a nice little color. Seems like pomegranates and balsamic vinegar just go together to me. I've had numerous recipes that have those combined, and it really just a good combination. All right, there we have it. We'll give it a little taste here. We'll see what we got. All right, Catherine's gonna try
Let's call this name.
balsamic Brussels sprouts.
Okay. It looks good. Good. Pepper sour, sweet, bacon there.
Bacon, real bacon. We have bacon almost every day, but it's pre-cooked turkey bacon, and this stuff is really good.
Good. Yummy.
Thank you. All right, let's take a little taste of this. Don't tell anybody. I'm going to eat right out of the serving bowl. Yeah, it's really good. Actually, I think I might put in a little bit more of the balsamic vinegar. I'll do that on my separate one because I know Catherine's not real fond of vinegar. Yeah, and actually the pomegranates is a good addition as well. A little sweetness, a little tartness. But very good, I like that. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie right over there. And thank you for watching.